The radiator in my 2014 Dodge Avenger developed a leak, and I decided to have a shop do the replacement for me. I could see where the coolant was puddling on the passenger side bottom corner of the radiator. This is a picture of the old radiator. On the upper right hand corner there's the inlet for the hot coolant from the engine, and then on the left hand side about midway down is the coolant that goes back to the engine. On the bottom there's a couple of rubber feet vibration isolators. These have to be taken off and reused on the new radiator. And then also on the right hand side at the bottom is the petcock drain. This car has a 4-speed automatic transmission, and the transmission cooler is not located in the radiator. It's actually combined into the air conditioning condenser. Again, here's the old radiator, and the leak is located directly behind the inlet pipe from the engine to the radiator. And it's a little hairline crack right here where I'm pointing to. That was the leak. Yeah, also these rubber feet, these vibration isolators, they need to be taken off and pulled off the old radiator and put onto the new radiator. There's one on either side. Here are pictures of those rubber vibration isolators, top and bottom. Here's the new radiator. I did buy this at a local parts store. They claimed it's got a lifetime warranty as long as I've got the receipt. I just wanted to have a quick look at the radiator to make sure that it does resemble the part that it's replacing. Okay, this looks good. I also provided to the shop the coolant and the distilled water. This coolant is Mopar 10-year concentrate. There's a label on the back of the cooling jug that indicates the ratio of the coolant to water ratio. For my climate, I'm at 50%, so 50% coolant, 50% water. That gives me freeze protection down to minus 34 degrees Fahrenheit. This table is for a pressure cap rated at 15 psi. The pressure cap in my cooling system is rated at 16 psi, so that's going to give a little higher boiling temperature than shown here in the chart. I checked one third-party service manual, and it indicated that the cooling system capacity, including the heater core and the overflow tank, was 7.7 quarts or 8 quarts. So with my ratio of 50% coolant and 50% water, 1 gallon of the coolant concentrate and 1 gallon of distilled water was enough for my system. Okay, here are the costs. The radiator was $252. 1 gallon of coolant concentrate was $28. 1 gallon of distilled water was $1. And then the labor was $178 for a grand total of $459. This is the first time I've actually looked at this whole total that I spent on this little project, and it kind of blows me away. I spent $460 on this. Looking at how I could have gotten this price down, one would have been to do the labor myself, so that would have been $0. Then the radiator, I found a cheaper one, much cheaper one for like $80 online, and I would have also, it has good reviews, I'll put it in the links below. Also, there was an option to add a 4-year auto accessory protection plan for $12.99. So that's what I probably would have done. That would have gotten the cost down significantly for me. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a like. Consider subscribing and please share it. Thanks for watching.